Over half of video streaming is done from mobile devices, so kids of our generation like using their phones for videos. A trademark of our generation is to share videos with each other and make connections with as many people as we can through those videos. This can be done through Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, and any other ones you can think of. The problem with this is sharing videos can be hard. We found 3 common ways that videos are shared. The first way is by sending a link. This allows sharing with many people, but you can't make any connections with them. The second is to share the video with your phone itself. If you are sharing with multiple people, this can become uncomfortable when viewing for a long period of time. The last way to share is to use a projector. This way is more ideal, but projectors can be expensive and take up a lot of space, and you can't connect to your phone. However, you can share with several people at once.
Because projectors are ideal for sharing, we wanted to make a projector that could work for everybody and is easy to understand by anybody. This meant that we needed to make it use a phone. The phone is what accounts for over 50% of streaming videos, and so we know that is important to younger generations. This means that ours had to not rely on tangled cords that you usually see in projectors, and it just relied on sticking your phone in and start playing it. Ours is also an innovation over a normal projector because it is not tethered to a single spot. You can take it wherever you need to go. This means that whether you're on the go or you're in your dorm room, you can use it. It doesn't require a power source, just your phone. And it doesn't require any cords anywhere else, so you can take it with you. Lastly, we wanted to make a projector as easy to use as possible. Rather than the tangled mess of cords that I mentioned earlier, you just stick your phone in, put it on the back, and focus. Then you're ready to watch. It's as easy as that. Let me show you how it works.